And we begin with breaking news this evening. A former Bexar County constable who's been at the center of controversy for the past few years is found guilty on 2 charges. KENS 5 reporter Zach Briggs has been in the courtroom all day for closing arguments in the trial of Michelle Barrientos Vela. He joins us live with this late breaking news. Zach?
Well, the jury spent a little more than 4 hours deliberating the fate of ex-constable Vela, and this is stemming from 2019 and allegations of public corruption. The guilty verdict follows a week of testimony and cross-examination of witnesses who were questioned about Vela's activities, including alleged cover-up of finances. The prosecution stressing during closing arguments this should be a, quote, common-sense decision based on all the evidence that has been presented. They're referring to the cash logs Vela was alleged to have created and altered for security cash logs at Rodriguez Park on the city's west side after grand jury subpoenas. 3 separate grand jury subpoenas when this happened. Now, the cash logs in question date back to Easter Sunday 2019, when prosecutors say Vela demanded a man pay $300 for security for a family event in a park pavilion that was already paid for. Now, Texas Rangers did launch an investigation in partnership with the FBI into Vela's activities at Rodriguez Park. Vela's defense team criticized the state's arguments today, saying the ex-constable was following the county park policies. The defense also attacked the prosecution's presentation of testimony from a Texas Ranger. This was in regard to the eventual FBI raid of the former constable's office and Vela's at the time clerk, Susan Tristan, who wore a law enforcement issued recording device. The defense emphasized that the recordings never turned up anything incriminating, but as you can tell today, that the jury...
They said at the very beginning to try to make you believe that she was stealing money from her deputies, and it was not true.
This is a case about a cover-up of an official criminal investigation. It really does just come down to that.
And right now we're still waiting for Vela and her defense team and her family that's been here all day to come out of the courtroom just down the hallway. And the next phase is sentencing. She does face 10 years in prison for this guilty verdict. In San Antonio, Zach Briggs, KENS 5.